if you answered 6, you just fell for the trap. But don't feel bad, almost everyone does. Let me guess what happened. You multiplied, you divided this 3 by 3, you cancelled what is not ready to be cancelled. And that's the mistake, because this problem is not testing speed, it is testing whether you actually respect the rules. And math does not just reward guessing. So let's slow it down and do this properly. How do we solve this? The first rule is that division by fraction is never normal division. When you are to divide by fraction, you don't divide the normal way you divide. So that is where you use the keep, change, flip rule. Where you keep the first number, you change the operation, and then you flip the fraction. Let's take a look at this example. Let's say you want to divide 8 by 1/4. If you want to divide 8 by 1/4, you keep 8, you change the operation from division to multiplication, and then you flip 1/4 to 4 ones. And that is the same thing as 8 times 4. And the answer becomes 32. Can you see how division by a fraction actually makes number bigger? That's the first trap people miss. Now, let's take a look at rule 2. Multiplication and division are equal when we want to apply the PEMDAS rule. That is the second rule, the PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division are equal. So whenever multiplication and division appear together, you solve from left to right. If division appears first, you divide first. If multiplication appears first, then you multiply first. Now, let's see what we are expected to do here. So the rule says we go from left to right. That is, we are to divide before we multiply. So now let's divide 24 by 2/3. So that becomes, we keep the first number, we change the operation, then we flip the fraction. So this becomes 24 times 3, 3/2 times 3, then minus 6. Now we have multiplication and subtraction, and in PEMDAS we multiply before we subtract. Now we can multiply. Let's take a look at this. 2 will go here 1, and 2 will go in 24, 12. So this becomes 12 times 3, then times 3, then minus 6. 12 times 3 gives 36. So this becomes 36 times 3 minus 6. What is 36 times 3? 3 times 6 gives 8, remainder 1. 3 times 3 gives 9, plus that one gives 10. So we have 108 minus 6, and this gives 102. And this is the correct way to solve it. Any other method you use in solving this is wrong. The final answer is 112. It's not 12, it's not 30, it's not 80. 102. Now try this one. 18 divided by 3/4 times 2, then minus 5. Try this and leave your answer in the comments. See you in the next video.